Looking for the best heat press machines? In this video, we'll dive into the top 5 heat press machines that stand out for their quality, performance, and value. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these picks will help elevate your craft. Let's get started. Item number 5. The VEVOR 5-in-1 heat press machine is a versatile solution for t-shirts, caps, mugs, and more. Featuring a 12 by 15-inch Teflon-coated platen, it offers precise digital control, a 360-degree swing-away design for safety, and an adjustable spring plate for even pressure. With user-friendly details like upgraded handles and multi-layer insulation, it ensures high-quality transfers. Temperature ranges from 200 to 450 grows, with a timer up to 999 seconds. A perfect choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Item number 4. This advanced 15-in-1 heat press machine offers unmatched versatility for t-shirts, hats, mugs, plates, and more. With dual heating tube technology and a 360-degree swivel design, it ensures even heat distribution and maximum safety. Its Teflon-coated platen prevents scorching, while the digital display provides precise temperature and time control. The package includes multiple attachments, free gifts, and a 2-year warranty, making it ideal for both hobbyists and professionals ready to tackle any heat transfer project. Item number 3. The upgraded ROOMARK 8-in-1 heat press machine features a dual-screen digital display with silicone buttons for easy operation. Its 15 by 50-inch Teflon-coated platen ensures even, non-stick transfers. The 360-degree swing-away design and dual-tube heating technology deliver consistent heat with only a 5-degree variation. With advanced insulation, the surface remains safe to touch. Ideal for t-shirts, mugs, caps, plates, and more, this versatile press is perfect for both beginners and professionals seeking high-quality heat transfers. Item number 2. Introducing the Shuohao H0115 15-in-1 heat press machine, a powerful sublimation tool designed for versatility. With a 29 by 38 centimeter work table and temperature range of 200 to 450 degrees, it's perfect for customizing t-shirts, mugs, caps, shoes, bottles, pens, and even footballs. Built with high-quality materials and CE certification, it ensures safety and performance. The machine comes packed with foam and carton for secure delivery, making it a reliable choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. Item number 1. Create personalized mugs with ease using our upgraded mug press machine. This innovative heat press supports 11-ounce to 30-ounce mugs, allowing you to print vibrant designs on a variety of cup sizes. With a fast-heating 620-watt element and precise LCD knob control, sublimation is a breeze. The soft silica gel liner ensures better transfer and reduces odors. Featuring enhanced safety with automatic shutdown, heat-resistant gloves, and tape, this mug press is perfect for beginners and pros alike. Let your creativity shine. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.